Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics step by step. First, ensure you grasp the basic principles before moving to complex topics. Many students rush, but a solid foundation is crucial for long-term understanding. Break down each chapter into smaller, manageable sections. This method helps prevent overwhelm and builds confidence as you progress. Remember, consistency is key in mastering any challenging subject like physics. Let's dive into the details. Once you have a good grasp of the concepts, it's time to practice problem solving. Mohit Tyagi emphasizes solving a wide range of numerical problems. Don't just memorize formulas, understand their derivations and the underlying physics. Try to solve at least 10 to 15 problems each day to reinforce your learning. This active recall helps solidify your understanding and improves your application skills. Consistent practice is the bridge between knowing and truly understanding physics. Revision is just as important as initial learning. Set aside dedicated time each week to revisit older topics. Create short, crisp notes that summarize key formulas and concepts for quick review before exams. Don't shy away from resolving problems you found difficult earlier. This process helps identify weak areas and strengthens your overall comprehension. Consistent revision ensures that the knowledge stays fresh and accessible when you need it most. To further enhance your physics studies, explore additional resources. Online platforms and video lectures, like those by Mohit Tyagi, can offer different perspectives and clarify doubts. Discussing challenging problems with friends or study groups can also provide new insights and deepen your understanding. Remember, learning is a continuous process, and there are always new ways to improve. Also, for those interested in financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals. Keep pushing your boundaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.